guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashwal, and in this video, it's all about MV AGUSTA's F3 RC. So limited edition, what is it all about? I'll be giving you at the end of the video. So right now, let's go to Motoroyale showroom, which is in Lavelle Road. So I'll be going there, making a video of the 360-degree look, the exhaust note, and also I'll be riding the bike and giving you guys a complete experience. So I hope you like this video, guys. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you get more videos like this. And let's go to the showroom right now, and I'll directly start showing you guys what the bike looks like. So hey guys, today I'm going to be riding the F3 RC from MV AGUSTA. So RC stands for the Reparto Course. So this is the only track variant of the F3 800 series, which is 4 lakhs more than the standard variant. So this F3 RC comes with a racing kit, which also includes special ECU, an SC project exhaust, mirror caps, brake and clutch lever, foot peg made of aluminium, and decreasing the weight from 173 kg to 165 kg comparing to the F3 800. So along with this bike, you also get the fiberglass rear seat cowl, padlock stand, and bite cover for free of cost. So this beast uses same 798cc inline 3 motor, which pumps out 153 horses at 13,250 rpm and a torque of 88 Nm, which comes out at 10,600 rpm. So this is a 6-speed transmission bike. So the top speed to be claimed on this bike is almost 240 km per hour, and the compression ratio in this bike is 13:3:1. Now this bike also comes with 4 riding modes, 8-step traction control, and it also has the Bosch ABS with rear wheel lift mitigation. Brakes are same as the F3 800, which is the Brembo monolock 4-piston calipers up front and Brembo 2-piston caliper at the rear. And the suspension also remains the same, which are 43 mm USD up front along with fully adjustable monoshock at the rear. So this bike's fuel capacity is almost 16.5 liters and a mileage of 14 kilometers per liter. So we're done talking about the spec. Even though I didn't get it to ride on the highway road to test the top speed and all that, whatever I could, I've made a best out of it so that you guys can have a complete experience of what the bike looks and how the bike performs, how it roars on the street. So as my review, I would tell you this bike is just beautiful. The look, the power, the everything is just top notch. So if you guys are interested to get this bike or the F3 800 or any MV AGUSTA bikes, I'll make sure I put the location in the description so that you guys can go check it out, have a ride experience. So guys, just put the volume to the max and listen how this beast roars on the road. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching, and again, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you keep getting videos like this.